listen to these people, Ricky. You're a winner. You got the gift. Always remember, if you ain't first, you're last.
Right back in that gym, act like none of them miss. I'm your favorite rapper, favorite trap, I really get it on.
Video is real. It is all edited, CGI, and fake. Do not attempt anything seen in this video.
It's 5 in the morning right now. Well, it's actually about to be 6, but about to hit the gym, come back home, pack my bag, hit the road to California. We're going to San Diego today, man. Stay tuned. Yeah, and if you ain't went to the gym today, bro, get up and go hit the gym, man. Health is wealth. Let's go. I'm going to get the interior done in the Hellcat. Really nothing crazy. I'm just gonna get black suede on the headliner, black suede pillars with stars in the roof, of course. We're gonna have a little design in the stars this time because I don't got a sunroof. And man, I wish I had red seats because I would have did all red like I did in the Scat, but as y'all know, we got black seats in the Hellcat, so to play it safe, I'm gonna just go black suede. So I might end up changing the seats in this car, but the black headliner gonna look good regardless, no matter what color we do the seats. So that being said, man, stay tuned. We about to leave Las Vegas right now. We just got gas. We got a 4.5 hour drive to San Diego, and then we just gonna kick into LA, man. Y'all know I'm gonna bring y'all with me. Click that like button, click that sub button. We about to put stars in the Hellcat, man. We finna turn this into a Rolls Royce. Y'all know the stars is a necessity. We got the wrap, tune, exhaust, lowered, tint. Yeah, bro. Interior, last thing we doing, and then after that, just stay tuned till we make the car faster and we get a new wrap, man. Man, let's do it. I'm gonna let y'all enjoy the scenery with me. You know what I'm saying? It's foggy. We got the mountains. Like, I don't know why there's so much traffic, y'all. I hope that nobody crashed, but it's a lot of traffic. I don't think the camera do justice, man. Y'all gotta see this in real life. You know what I'm saying? So unfortunately, YouTube, somebody did crash up here. Prayers up for them, y'all. We hope everybody okay. But this is a steep mountain, so I definitely understand how they crashed. But make sure y'all being safe on the road, man. If you're traveling, if you're driving, period, always be safe. It's crazy out here. Man, we made it to San Diego. As y'all see, we got the Hellcat right here. So they're about to take the headliner and the pillars out the Hellcat and start putting the suede and the stars in it. So we're gonna get y'all the before. Of course, y'all already know what it look like, you know what I'm saying? Just regular Challenger interior. I'm gonna turn it up a little bit, put my name in the ceiling, put some stars in there, bro. And stay tuned. What it look like, bro? There it is, sir. Yeah. All right. Y'all see it, man. Challenger headliner
like 10
out.
minutes, right? Oh, that was like a record.
Yeah.
That has been like a record.
You said 10 minutes? They were probably faster than that, for real. All right, man. We about to go crazy. No sunroof, of course. No headliner or no pillars, bro. But we are on the way to pick up the headliner right now and the pillars. So y'all gonna be able to see the final result, man. I think it's gonna look great. Put suede on the whole top of the car. We got like a 2-hour drive from LA to San Diego. So yeah, man, we putting a lot of miles on the Hellcat, but it's all good, man. It's just a car, so. I'll cut the camera back on once we get to my boy's shop. All right, YouTube, so we almost done, man, as y'all see. Still got some stars to clip, but most of it is done. As y'all see, like I said, we got stars in the pillar right there. The SRT-JD design that's not cut out yet. And then we got 800 stars going around the whole headliner, man. All suede.
Yeah, check it out. That transition smooth.
Yes, sir. Turned the Hellcat to a Rolls Royce for real. Yeah, that's fire. So, as y'all see, man, they're getting the Hellcat right. If you in San Diego, Los Angeles, California, make sure you tap in with them. I'm gonna put their ad in the video and come get the work done. Y'all see what they doing. High quality, 800 stars in the Hellcat. Give y'all a detailed look at the Hellcat, man. It's gonna go crazy, bro. This is like the last mile we needed, y'all. SRT-JD in the roof, stars all throughout. Yes, Ersky. Let me know in the comments what y'all think about the stars. Give me a rate, or actually y'all gotta rate them. Rate them 1 to 10. Give me a get them a rating on their work, man. Let them know how they did in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about the name in the start. The name in the headliner. Getting the Hellcat right, y'all know grind don't stop, man. Y'all see it. Shout out to them once again for getting me right, YouTube. Now we finna shoot back to LA. And we finna keep this vlog going, man, cause y'all know how we do it.
One eternity later.
Is it really even a Scat anymore, bro?
It technically is, bro. No matter how much parts I put in it, the Hellcat.
Bro got a Whippled. That's crazy.
Sir.
How much horsepower you pushing?
I haven't built the bottom end yet, so for all you Scatpack people, I'm probably gonna start posting on my YouTube, like steps to it.
Yeah, for sure.
Not built on the bottom end is 650.
650.
Once I build it, I'll be at 1,000.
This look way better than the Hellcat Supercharger, bro, for sure. Yeah. Come on, man. Now, what you say about the hood? You said the hood is forged carbon?
Yeah, it's made by C-Bone Engineering, one of my sponsors.
I ain't gonna lie, this
forged carbon fiber.
This might be the hardest Scat in the United States, bro. Fully forged carbon trunk, bro.
With the wing.
Ain't gonna lie, I gotta give it to you, bro. This is one of the hardest Scats I've seen. Outside of my wide body, bro, this is one of the hardest ones for sure, bro. This doesn't look crazy. Hey, I want to hear the Whipple though. I want to hear the Whipple, the whine. It sound like a Hellcat?
It doesn't whine as hard as I'd want it to.
It's like crazy. This is what you're supposed to do with a Scat, man. I ain't do all this, but this is how you do it, bro. See-through hood. Oh yeah. This doesn't look crazy, bro. Just look at it like, it looks so professionally done, bro. The yellow Whipple fit the car. Ain't a lot of exhaust. Yeah, hey, W Scat, bro. Go follow my boy on the ground. Y'all see it. Full bone performance. Lobos Daily, man. Go follow him. This is one of the hardest Scats I ever seen, bro. Golly, man. Yeah, no, we got the little Hellcat back here, bro. You know what I'm saying? I like the decal too.
Oh, yeah.
Like, I never seen this one before.
Dude, that's exactly what I was going
I like this one.
I've been seeing the Scatpack hands, bro.
Yeah.
I don't know, I think it looks so tacky.
This one look way better, bro.
Yeah, dude, the Hellcats, I love it. You fucking kill it. But
Yeah.
I wanted something different. So, No
For
Limits
sure.
Designs did that for me. Okay?
That's fire, bro.
Yeah. That's a dope ass car, bro.
Appreciate it, bro.
Nice car.
Thank you.
Alright, bet. Oh, you said together?
Yeah, like you do yours, I'll do mine first.
Alright, bet.
First, I go next. We're gonna compare exhaust sound, guys.
Y'all heard the difference between a Whippled Scat and a Hellcat, man. I honestly don't know which one sound better. A little rev battle.
Yeah, you know, y'all be the judge of that. So we got the Whippled Scat, and we got the supercharged.
Hey, check out the tag. It say "Too Bad Hater." That's fire, bro. Hey, and somebody tell me what to do about the Nevada DMV, bro. I paid for a custom tag, and I still don't got my tag, y'all. They still haven't mailed me my tag, and I paid $50 for it, bro. So y'all let me know what to do about that, bro, because they really took my money. How you get robbed by the government? That's crazy, bro. All right, y'all, see you YouTube. We outside the car meet. You know what I'm saying? My boy Joe had to come get me, man. Somebody want to see me with the big L.
There you go. Put it right here.
No, it's all good. It's all good. It's all good. Yeah, it's all good.
Thank y'all.
Alright, man. Hey, man, y'all see it. That's what happens when you got the Fanta and the water. It's a good combo, man. Watch out for police up there. Y'all see it. So I don't know if y'all know YouTube, but this Trackhawk used to be green. You know what I'm saying? And he took the wrap off. This doesn't look crazy. Oh my goodness. I don't know why the white look way better than huh?
Spin for a free stuff?
Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. Why not?
Yeah, you might get
And you got a food voucher.
A food voucher?
yeah, one of these guys.
I just came up. Hey, I appreciate that, man. Look, man, I just came up on some food. Came by the Trackhawk, man. Came up on some food. Y'all see it. Demon 170 badges on the Trackhawk. Carbon fiber hood. Y'all see it. This is crazy, bro. Hey, YouTube. I'm not a hater, but why are we acting like this takes talent? All right, I'm not gonna say that no more, but y'all see this. Bro's literally throwing paint on the Lamborghini. And look at all these people recording. YouTube, so as y'all seen, man, I went to a car meet and I just took y'all with me. But that wasn't the focus of this video. The focus of this video was we got the interior done in the Hellcat, so I'm giving y'all one last look at it before we end this video. Technically it's 1,000 stars, so it's 200 stars. Hold up, come on, man, focus. So yeah, it's 200 stars in the design itself, 800 stars throughout the pillars and the whole headliner. Yeah, man, W work. The suede look way better in here. Like, I highly recommend any car, if you got a black headliner, bro, just go and upgrade it to black suede, bro, because this changed the whole feel of the car. Like, you know what I'm saying? Especially with the stars. I love the design, though, bro. Like, yes, sir, we really stamped the Hellcat. Yeah, man. So shout out to SoCal Starlights. They did their thing. It's actually been 2 weeks since they did this. I'm just posting this video super late. I've been busy, man. Life been lifing, you know what I'm saying? But stay tuned. We got a new wrap on the Hellcat on the way, man. They just mailed it out to me yesterday. I'm not even gonna tell y'all the color. It ain't even nothing too crazy. This next wrap gonna be real simple. It's gonna be something that I wanted to do for a long time. Y'all will see it when they get here, and I'm pretty sure y'all gonna like it, bro. The next wrap I'm doing, it's hard to not like it. You know what I'm saying? It ain't gonna be no one of one. It ain't gonna be nothing that's crazy like this chrome wrap, but it is gonna be nice. It's gonna have the Hellcat looking real mean, real aggressive. And we still got the one-on-one wrap on the way, y'all. So stay tuned. That ain't went nowhere. I'm only gonna have this next wrap on for like 3 months. I had this wrap on for 4 months, I think, since September. So we're gonna take this junk off. I ain't too much rocking with the chrome. Ever since we scratched the side of it up at that legal pit, I ain't really been liking the chrome. And then just how the chrome was installed, like we had to do it in layers because you can't stretch it. I really just don't like it, to be honest. So with that being said, we are switching it up, going a whole different route. My next wrap will be all satin. I've been wanting to do this since my first Scat. You know what I'm saying? So we finna throw it on the Hellcat, and then we're gonna take it off and rewrap it again after that. So stay tuned, man. Click that like button, click that sub button. Drop a comment for your boy, man. Keep God first. Chase y'all dreams, man. SRTJD out.
Don't listen to these people, Ricky. You're a winner. You got the gift. Always remember, if you ain't first, you're last.
Right back in that gym, act like none of them missing. I'm your favorite rapper, favorite trap, I really get it on.
The video is real. It is all edited, CGI, and fake. Do not attempt anything seen in this video.